Hello everyone, I am Sanjana VR of class 10th. Today we are going to deal with a new topic, a balanced chemical equation. The description of a chemical reaction in a sentence form is quite long. It can be written in a shorter form. The simplest way to do this is to write in the form of a word equation. For example, magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Is there any other shorter way for representing chemical equation? Yes, chemical equation can be made more concise and useful if we use chemical formula instead of words. If you recall formula of magnesium oxygen and magnesium oxide, the above word equation can be written as Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Is the number of atoms of each element are same on the both sides? If yes, equation is balanced. If not, the equation is unbalanced because the mass is not the same on the both sides of the equation. Such a chemical equation is called skeletal chemical equation for a reaction. Recall the law of conservation of mass. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. The number of atoms of each element remains the same before and after a chemical reaction. Hence, we need to balance the skeletal chemical equation. Let us try to balance the following chemical equation. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 1. To balance a chemical equation, first draw boxes around each formula. Do not change anything inside the boxes while balancing the equation. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 2. List the number of atoms of different elements present in the unbalanced equation. Using a table, represent this. Step 3. In that compound, select the element which has the maximum number of atoms. Using these criteria, we select Fe3O4 and the element oxygen in it. There are 4 oxygen atoms on the RHS and 1 on the LHS. To balance the oxygen atoms, now the partly balanced equation becomes Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 4. Fe and H atoms are still not balanced. Let us balance hydrogen atoms in the partly balanced equation. To balance the hydrogen atoms, use the table to represent. The chemical equation which we get is Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. It is also a partly balanced equation. Step 5. Examine the above equation and pick up the third element which is not balanced. We will find that only one element is left to be balanced, that is iron. To balance the iron atoms, use the table to represent. We get 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Step 6. Finally, to check the correctness of a balanced equation, we count atoms of each element on the both sides of the equation. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. The numbers of atoms of elements on both sides are equal. This equation is now balanced. This method of balancing chemical equation is called hit and trial method.